Welcome to Krannich Solar. My name is Justin Gann and I'm here to give you a portfolio update. Today I'm introducing you the new Fronius Verto string inverter. This string inverter is available in the power classes of 25, 27, 30 and 33.3 kW. With 4 MPP trackers, each 28 ampere per string and a high voltage range from 150 up to 870 volts, the Fronius Verto offers great flexibility. The dimensions are 86.5 cm high, 57.4 cm wide and 27.8 cm deep. The weight is 44.7 kg. The application range from multi-family homes over agricultural buildings to small commercial installations. The inverter can be used for both new projects and integrated into existing installations. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor installation and can be mounted either hanging or lying. The integrated shadow management with the dynamic peak manager algorithm ensures optimal yields even in shadowed conditions or with different orientation and inclinations of the PV modules. The Fronius Verto comes standard with arc guard technology, integrated arc detection and arc interruption. Additionally, it features integrated overvoltage protection. Fronius also scores in terms of data protection with a certified information security system. The server location and cloud storage are in Europe. Through sector coupling, the Fronius Verto is compatible with the consumption controller Fronius Ohm Pilot and the e-car charging box Fronius Watt Pilot. The inverter can also be seamlessly integrated into smart home systems. Integrated third-party products via Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP or Solar API is also not a problem. If I have sparked your interests and you would like to learn more about the new Fronius Verto, feel free to visit the Krannich webshop or contact your Krannich representative. See you soon!